A lot of vendors claim certain particular rudraksha is good for certain particular disease. We at Rudra Blessings are stunned how they say that a particular rudraksha is good for a particular disease. Just imagine if this would be the case, there would be no heart disease, no kidney disease, no AIDS, no cancer, and no other disease. All hospital would be closed. Full world's disease cure for all disease would be available on these website. Just imagine how these vendors claims only to corner some huge chunk of money by promoting sales. Prospective clients are requested to ask these vendors how many cancer patients they have cured, their names, address, phone number in details, how many heart patients they have cured with their magic with complete name and details, how many kidney patients they have cured, how many blind they have converted to visionary, how many liver-diseased patient they have cured. Tell them to prove them in writing and give them the details in writing.